Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got a package, and that package, oh my gosh guys, is from ThredUp. And if you don't know anything about ThredUp, ThredUp is kind of like an online thrift store. From what I understand is you can actually like contact them, tell them you want to send in some items. If any of you've done this, please give me the correct like method of how you do this down in the comments. But I believe you can send in like your items, accessories, clothing, shoes, whatever. You can send them in and they will pay you for your items. And then they resell the items on their website. And they have a thing called a rescue box. And apparently it's maybe items that didn't sell within a set time period or whatever. So they put it all in one box. And it's called a rescue box. And I've watched several unboxings of these, and this is a Coach handbag rescue box. And those are not available all the time. I have been watching and watching and watching. Finally, one popped up, and I jumped on it because you guys know I love my handbags, and I love Coach handbags. Yes, these are used. Yes, you do not know what's in the box, so it's kind of like a mystery box. You don't know the condition. You don't know what styles you're getting. You know the number of bags that you're getting, and that's pretty much it. So, I'm kind of scared because I don't know what's in here. Oh. Cranberry juice. Guys, I got me some metal straws at Walmart. Love them. So, let's get into this box. So, inside, and this came really fast too, really fast. So it was 4 handbags and 1 accessory for $90, and I should have done the math on that. I will leave that information down below in the description box on what that breaks down to a item. And I already see, leather. So, I mean, that's always a good sign, right? When you see leather, hopefully. Just to kind of show you how it's packaged. There is the polka dot paper. And this is weighty too. It was a heavy box. There is the first bag. Go ahead and tear into this. I can already see some strings, but guys, strings can be snipped. As long as they're not completely coming unfrayed, strings can be snipped. This is immaculate on the inside. Let me turn on this backlight and see if I can get a little extra light in there. Maybe not. But she's immaculate. Trust me, on the inside, she's immaculate. I'm going to turn that backlight out. I can touch it. It's a touchpad. She's got one little spot right there, but I think that would just wipe away. Yes, it did. There's the Coach Creed. The inside is beautiful. There's a Coach logo. There's a few strings, but like I said, nothing that can't be snipped unless it is completely coming and sewed. And these are snipping right off with scissors, no problem. So I can just snip those up. Everything still looks nice. The buckles and hardware. Look, this is what I mean by, like, see that? That can just be snipped. I mean, no big deal. And if you really are worried about it, put you a little dab of super glue, clear super glue on that. And just to kind of protect the strings. The bottom, no real wear. Nice tote size. I don't see any real wear on the leather. Just like I said, a few strings, and I can snip those, no big deal. All right, there's bag number 1. I will carry that. Here is bag number 2. Again, looks like all leather. Okay, this one has a little bit of wear, but I can clean that up with a magic eraser on the corners. Oh, it's got the shoulder and the hand strap. So there's the Coach tag. All leather. Oh, it's pink on the inside. This one shows a little bit more wear. Nice deep pocket. Zipper works. She just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So this one does need some cleaning. And I'm going to get some leather treatment upholstery. And, okay, there's what it is. I was like, it's missing a little, nope, it goes like that, Shannon. It goes like that. So the snap still works. Pocket's good. This one just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I'll show you what I mean if I can get in on the corners. See that little bit of discoloration? That might come off with a very light rub of a magic razor. I don't know. But if not, I mean, I'll sell it for 20 bucks. I mean, you know. Invoice. I already see something I like. I see it. I see the colors. I'm already happy. So here's bag number 3. It's a tote, so I already know I like it. And it's not one of the huge totes. I have this style in several bags. So I know I like this size. There is the little Coach hang tag. And she is plaid. I like this one. And guess what the color is on the inside? She is hot pink. Again, the inside looks really good on this one. The Coach Creed. Zipper works good. There's the Coach Creed. Handles just need to be worked back into place where she's been folded up. I actually have 2 of this exact size but different pattern. 2 or 3. So yeah, very happy with that one because it's got the aqua and the hot pink. And it's glittery. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, right there. See it? Oh, it's glittery. Like that big Coach. I've got a brown one and another purple one that's made like this. So very happy with that one. This one looks like another leather one, guys. This one's showing a little bit more wear, but I might be able to touch it up with some leather polish. Wow. This is like a saddlebag type of bag. Looking at that, this one looks like it might be like a vintage. Interesting. There's nowhere that says Coach on it that I can see. So how do you know? Oh, there's the Coach patch on the inside. Right there. Right there. Guys, this one might be vintage. Because it is not made like any of my bags that I have at all. And she is the raw suede on the inside, and the leather that's one piece. It's not lined, and it's like that through the whole bag. That's interesting. I kind of like it. I thought that was a pocket, but it's not. But you got a front pocket, the center zip pocket, and then the back pocket. And it's all leather, the unfinished inside leather. That's kind of neat. I'm going to close my drawer. My nose is itching. There's one more thing. So you got 4 handbags and 1 accessory. I see the color. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So it's a wristlet, and I love wristlets. Look at those colors. Why did this not sell? How is this in our rescue box? The inside is a beautiful blue. I don't see anything at all. This don't even look like it's being used. There's the little baby hang tag. And the straps. You can unhook it. The only place I can see where is on the actual hook. I mean, you can tell on the hook. And then hook it this way for the wristlet. Zipper works good. So yeah, these were $90, like I said, and I told my hubby if I get 2 good bags out of it, I'm happy. And the other 2, you know, even if I got 2 good bags out of it, I was happy, because that was $45 a bag. That's used. That's usually what I pay for a good used bag. This one, super interesting. Look at this gigantic zipper on there. Look at that. I mean, that's crazy. This one does have a little smell like it's been packed up, you know, like, oh, that's what I'm thinking. I think it's vintage. I'm going to look up that Creed patch. But as far as like, the corners have a little bit of wear right there. But nothing terrible. Like I said, you can go over that with a little bit of leather treatment. See, it's not fraying. It's just a little bit of the dye is lost, if you know what I mean. See, it's not frayed or anything. I mean, the leather is in beautiful condition. So there's that one. This one I absolutely love, and I know I will carry. This one I love that it has bow straps. It just needs a little bit of love. And I had some makeup wipes up here. I was going to see if I could take a makeup wipe and go over some of that. This is a nice bag. It just needs some love. This one just needs a little bit of love. So we'll see how that one does. And then I'll carry this one. I have one similar to this, but it's bigger. This one's a little bit more my size. You have a pocket here for a cell phone. Huh. So not bad. I definitely got 2 bags in a wristlet that I love, and 2 bags that are not bad. One needs a little love, and one may be vintage. So I'm going to check that one out. So if you like handbags, they do have like a handbag rescue box, and it's mixed, and it tells you could get anything. I've seen people get Kate Spade. I've seen people get Coach. I've seen people get Dunia Burke. I mean, it's just mixed. This one was a Coach rescue box. So just go on ThredUp and check them out. They've got clothes, they've got shoes, they've got accessories. I think they do one that's just scarves. I'm looking at this purple one and I'm loving it. I can't. This one. I mean, I would have paid $45 for this used. I mean, I would have. It's just been folded. She needs to be stuffed so she'll get her shape back. I love that one, guys. I love that one. And it's just a simple little tote. I love that one. Alrighty, guys. That is it for the Coach Rescue Box. If you've got one of these, Let me know how you liked your bags. Did you get a good mix? Did you get an A mix? Did you get a terrible mix? Let me know. And we hit 1,000. We hit 1,000. And I gotta say a big thank you to Miss Tracy, Miss She Crafty. If you've not checked out her channel, go check out her channel. She is fantastic. If you like seeing subscription boxes, different subscription boxes, like a vast variety of subscription boxes, she's got you covered. And I'll have her channel listed down below. That's She Crafty. And if you like kind of crafting ideas, she does crafting too. So we hit 1,000, but she gave me a shout out, and girl, I thank you so much. Thank you so much. She gave me a big shout out, and we hit 1,000. So thank you to everybody that subscribed. Thank you to everybody that's been subscribed. We do have that current giveaway going right now. It is for some skincare and some e.l.f. makeup, plus a few other little things that'll be thrown in as a surprise. So if you've not got entered into that, it is international. It is open till the end of the month. Be sure you get into that giveaway. I will have that giveaway video down below as well. After that giveaway video, we will have the 1K giveaway video. I'm excited because I have a big basket of stuff in there just waiting for you guys. And I will add some things as we go. Maybe something Coach. Who knows? As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and hitting that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one.